Hey guys, in today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to upload your project in your Behance profile. Right now, I am currently logged into my account. That is the first thing you are going to do. Then after that, you are simply going to click on share your work. Now you can see upload your project, services, work in progress, and even live stream your project to the internet. Now you are simply going to select project over here, and then you will be redirected to the project or portfolio editor, as you can see here. Then you can simply upload your project into this section. You could either upload an image, text, photo grid, video and audio, embedded, Lightroom, NFT, prototype and 3D. After completing your project over here, after doing these things, simply click on upload. So in this way you will be able to upload project or design on Behance. If you have found this video informative, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.